What's up, family? Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thanks for being here. On this channel, we talk about protective styling, hair tips, and just how to grow your hair healthy. So if you are into any of those topics, you should hit the subscribe button below and that bell icon so you won't miss any more videos, okay? So now let's get into this Flexi rod hairstyle, okay, honey? As you know, I had to put in some flat twists because I have alopecia and I am not trying to make my edges suffer anymore. So I am being very cautious on what I do with my edges here so that they can grow back properly, you know? So also, if you guys are not following me on IG, get your booties over there and let's get connected so you can see what I'm up to outside of YouTube. And let's jump into the tutorial, shall we? So first, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. Yes, I've freshly washed my hair, and I actually jumped in the shower this morning and redamped it, and then I added my leave-in conditioner because I didn't do it last night. And now I am about to apply my oil so that I am sealing in the moisture. So I'm taking my black castor seed oil, which is extra dark. This is what I'll be using. Be careful because this stuff comes out so fast every time. I be wasting it, and y'all know oil costs too much to be wasting. I'm just going to twist this back up for now, just to keep it out of the way and from retangling. As your hair dries, your hair tries to tangle. So I am going to speed through this really fast, this part of the video, because this isn't really part of the tutorial. This is just showing you how to seal in your hair properly. And I did water first, then the leave-in, and now my oil. So the water would be the L, and I did the leave-in, which would technically be my cream, which would be the C, and then I did the oil at the end. Okay, so now I'm about to part my hair half up, half down, so I can get it already in the proper parts, so I don't have to worry about redoing anything. I just wanted to add the oil real quick to my hair because you want to seal in that moisture before your hair starts to dry. So now that we did that, that's out the way. Okay guys, so I am now going to begin sectioning off the front of my hair so that I can start the flat twisting method. So I twisted this back up because otherwise it's just going to keep shrinking, and I don't want it to shrink all the way up, so that's why I twisted it back up, so it can also get out of my way. Okay guys, so now I'm applying my strand collection, the Strands Hair Food, which has coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, rosemary oil, lemongrass, shea butter, and thyme. This is a thing full of natural goodness, y'all, so I'll be sure to link it down below so you guys can check it out. And this is Black owned. So we are starting the flat twisting process. So I'm just going to do that real quick on both sides, but I'm going to speed up the video just for the sake of time. This is gonna help keep my flat twist straight instead of curling up, because my hair is just super curly and this twist will curl all the way up. And I want it to stay nice and flat. So yeah, now we're gonna do this side. I am getting ready to do the half up method now, since we have our side flat twist done. Twisting these up now so that they stay stretched and not tangled up. So when I get ready to flexi rod this, it's not hard. Okay, so I'm splitting this one's kind of still damp, so I don't have to really do much to this one. I'm taking my Mielles pomegranate and honey curl defining mousse. And I'm gonna take my dimming brush and just go through my hair real quick, just to make sure that the mousse is completely spread out throughout the whole section. Taking my little skinny red one here. Just gonna wrap it around the bottom like that. And then I just take my hair and roll over it, so I know it's not going nowhere. And then I twirl my hair. And then I put this one down in front of the section of where the curl is turning, so that I lock it in place. And boom, we're done. Now we're gonna take our next section here, damp this up a little. Take our mousse. Now I'm gonna take a blue one, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. Wrap it around the bottom like that. And then I just smooth it to make sure there's no frizz. Go over it a couple times with my hair. And then I start to wand my hair around the flexi rod. Like that. Don't do too tight, because you don't want to cause any breakage. And then I just end up the bottom where I started, and boom. And I'm gonna continue this all the way around the back of my head until we're finished. So I'm just gonna speed up the video, okay? For the sake of time, I'm gonna do this side off of camera, And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the ponytail, and then we'll be all done. So I'll be back in just a moment. All right, so all my hair is completely flexi rodded now. So now we are going to flexi rod our ponytail. All my hair is completely done, so I'm gonna let this dry under the dryer, and then I will take this down in a couple hours or tomorrow morning. So I'll be back, guys, after my hair dries. Okay guys, so it has been over 24 hours, so my hair should be completely dry, at least it better be. I did sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes, and then I sat under the dryer for about maybe 5-10 minutes today. So I'm gonna take some of my Jamaican Black castor oil here, and I'm basically just covering this with my hands because I don't want my hands to be the reason why my hair snags or any reason like that. And we are going to start with the back. Guess let me take these off or they poke my eye out. So I kept these in overnight because I wanted to make sure that my twist didn't shrivel up. Just gonna take a little bit more oil just to cover my fingertips. So when I separate my curls, I'm not committing any extra frizz. And I'm just going to see where it automatically separates, and that's where I'm going to pull it apart at. And I'm gonna start off just separating it once. And then if I wanna make it fuller, which I probably will, this one already came apart. So I'm going to separate that one. I might have messed up the curl a little bit, so gonna twirl backwards, and boom, look at that bomb curl I just made. Now I'm just taking my hand and I'm just fluffing out my roots with my fingers. I'm not gonna fluff it out much because I want my curls to last longer than 2 days. So I'm not going to really mess with the curls, just going to loosen the roots. So this is what the final look is looking like. Could have fluffed it out a little bit more, but I don't really want to. I kind of want to keep my curls intact because my hair frizzes so fast because my hair is fine. So yeah, but this is what it's looking like with the little accents of hair jewelry. So be sure to let me know down below what you guys think about this hairstyle. It was fast, it was easy. The curls should last me to the end of the week. And if you have another suggestion of a hairstyle that you would like me to try, let me know down below so your girl can know, you know? And before I go, if anyone is struggling with their hair and they need more help or more knowledge, I have created a hair ebook, and I'll leave the link down below. So if you're interested, go ahead and get it while it's on pre-sale. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, join the family. And let's keep growing, y'all. Let's keep educating the community. Let's educate ourselves, and then let's educate the children, because they are the future, so they are most important. With that being said, I'm Ty the Natural. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm gonna see you back here on the next video. Bye.